Hey guys, welcome to the Money Ball. Happy Easter. Today is Easter. We're here live in the office recording for you guys, showing you how to do smart things with your money and make smart money moves. Today, I have something for you. This whole journey we've been taking with credit and how to improve your credit and how to get better with your credit, I've always mentioned to you that the industry is moving towards allowing us to self-report our own credit history, which most people didn't believe. Well, I'm going to be doing products and reviews on specific credit cards and different types of financial products which don't use credit scores. Guys, when I tell you how they figure out your approval, you're going to flip. Stay tuned. That's coming up next. Remember to smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We'll be right back. And happy Easter. Okay, guys, welcome back. Listen, the industry in the credit world is changing, and that's why you're here today. I want to tell you about that change. I own a mortgage company here in Tampa, Florida, and I want to tell you what I normally do when I get people approved. I pull their credit report. I look at their income. We make some sound decisions with some other software programs that we have, but it's based on job stability, income, and your current liabilities. Now, some people say it's a bulletproof system and that's all we need, and some people don't. And I want to tell you that the industry is changing. Part of the reason for today's video is I'm going to start doing reviews on products and financial services that don't require credit scores. And it's hard for people to embrace and wrap their minds that this is really happening around it, but it is. So let me tell you what the industry is moving towards. And I would encourage you to embrace it because you can be up there with the best in terms of your borrowing and your lending expectations from banks all over the world, okay? They have something called a cash score. What is a cash score? A cash score is where in the future, the very near future, when you apply for something, a mortgage, a car, a credit card, today's video is about a credit card company that already does this. But to keep on track, let me tell you what it is. They connect to your bank account, guys. And what are they looking at? They're studying the psychology of your habits. They're looking at how often you pay bills. They're looking, do you pay them twice a month? Do you pay more than the minimum monthly payment? Do you electronically transfer the money? Do you snail mail in through the U.S. mail? They're looking at how long is your banking relationship with this bank? Have you been here 5 years, 2 years, 6 months? All that matters. Have you recently applied with something new with someone else that they don't know about? This will give them better access and control over all of that information. As you can imagine, when you're looking at a person's historical banking relationships, it tells you how much money they have in the bank, checking, savings. So you can analyze their habits, not only their saving and spending habits, but a lot of different other habits. And I hate to say it, but they can even analyze where you spend your money at, where your mind is at. Okay, guys? And if your mind is on your money, you're going to always come out a winner. So today we have a credit card. It's called the Petal card. There's a Petal 1, a Petal 2, and I'm going to explain briefly the differences between those two. However, what you need to know today is that this is a company that when you apply for the card, they don't look at your credit score. Now, don't get me wrong. If your credit score is available and they can look at it, of course they're going to, but the majority of their decisions are based on when you apply at the website, you enter in your banking account information, and they come up with something called a cash score. And yes, they're looking at your bank account information, how much money you have, where you spend, and this is where the industry is moving towards. So it's exciting, guys, because you can have a credit score that's in the gutter and still get approved for this credit card. And that's what's happening. We have people that apply at the mortgage company that are worth millions of dollars and have millions of dollars in the bank, but because they have a crappy credit score, they can't get a loan anywhere. They have to pay cash for everything. Well, in the very near future, that's going to change things, and it's going to flood the market with a whole new barrel of borrowers. Think about it. How many people out there right now deserve a loan or deserve a new vehicle and can't even get approved at a rental application because our current system is outdated? Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, sorry guys, you're going to have to up your game to stay in the credit world that we're moving towards. And with each video I've done, I've told you that what we're moving towards is allowing the consumer to be more involved in reporting and showing to a potential creditor what our habits are. The first step in doing that is through your bank accounts. So guys, with today's credit card, Petal, I would encourage you to apply for one. I'm going to put some stuff up on the screen right now, and I'm going to briefly tell you what they are. But the gist and the majority of today's talk was to let you know that these credit cards, this one specifically, don't use a credit score. Again, a cash score. Let's get right to it. Okay, guys, let's take a side-by-side comparison of these cards. You know, just like any other credit cards, they always roll out 1, 2, sometimes 3 and 4. So you can see the difference here. Petal 1 card is for those people, believe it or not, who don't have that great of credit. Below 640, you want to go with Petal 1. Over 640, you want to do Petal 2. Credit score only matters with these folks in terms of what they give with the card, what you can earn with points and what you can redeem, which I'm putting on the screen for you now. So you choose the one that works best for you. Also remember that there's a cash back option. So if the more money you spend, the more you can make. Sounds familiar, right? One more thing I want to point out here. The Petal 1 card has a lower limit of cash that's lent to you than the Petal 2 card. Important. So choose accordingly, guys. Okay, guys, so that's the Petal 1 and the Petal 2 card. And I've saved the best for last. Guys, check this out. These people have an app that go along with their credit cards. I know most people do, but check this out. This app, after it combs through your bank statements and analyzes your spending habits and whatnot, of course they're not going to keep this information to themselves. They're going to make us better people. How are they going to do that? They share all of this information with you in the form of a daily planner. And they analyze, all of these habits. They put it up on a chart for you, and they show you where you're spending the most amount of your money at. They even integrate into the app where you can get a better deal. You guys got to check this out. It's awesome. That's part of the perks of getting approved with this particular company and using their app. So please be sure to do it. I know we applied for it. I think we got approved. Did we get approved? I think we got approved. I'll share that with you soon. But guys, have a happy Easter. I'm glad you tuned in today. Remember, the industry is moving towards a direction which you are going to be able to show people. Show and tell. Who are you? What is your cash score? Not your credit score. We care about your cash score. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for stopping by.